I figure the weight of the trailer, I don't want to kill my little Toyota, so I'm going to take the Suburban up to the ranch. I want to show you something. No sense traveling with an empty truck. So I folded the seat down in the middle, took the rear seat out, put a sheet of plywood here. Let's see how quickly I can fill up the back of this truck. To this point it sits pretty level. So I put about 65, not about, I put 65 pounds. I have airbags in the back. This is a half-ton truck, but I put 3/4 ton springs in there with a 4-inch lift in it several years ago. So it's got some beefy springs, and I put some Firestone bags in the back. So I pumped those up to 65 pounds. So it's about right. See how it goes.